Hey, what's going on, everyone? Just going to bring up another topic that I just see all the time, and I'm kind of asked, and I guess there's no real answer, but the question is, it should I put my drones in a certain slot? Does it matter which slot the drone is in? And for the majority that I've seen and other players answering this, it generally is a no. But is there just a easy way that we can just just test it real quick, and if we see a major difference, maybe that might start answering that question. Just again, can we visualize and see a difference? And why don't we use Fornax as the test here? And so I have it in the left flank, and I really dumbed down my Planet Wars technology. I basically have a ground technology in. I don't want to beat the players when I do these tests. That way we can just kind of do them a few times and see if we see a difference. So what I will do, and again, my good friend Tech has just been a champ with me using him as the guinea pig on some of this, but I figured before Planet Wars ends here, maybe we can just, come up with, is it working or is it not working? Should we keep it to the left, right, center, or does it matter again? And so I'm going to attack him real quick, and let's see what happens here. And again, even with my burning drones, just to point out again, I do have shields in the critical HP back on the burning drones, and you can see that actually work. And I really think that that's a cool feature. And right here, though, guys, with the burning drones, I mean, the restore HP is just out of control here. So I don't know if that's a big difference between the recoils. The recoils, they're bouncing stuff back and stuff, but HP gained from the recoil is not in the same league as the restorative HP from the burning drones. And I mean, that is just, again, I'm always really shocked into seeing that. And so here is Fornox right here. So 17150 in the left flank. Okay. So when we change this, let's go ahead and change it. I'm not really too concerned on what Tech is doing here. I'm more concerned on what Fornox is doing. So let's get out of here and let's see. Let's see if we can change this real quick. So 17, we'll just call it 17. And I know I abbreviate all the numbers just so it's just a little bit easier for me to say and understand and get that comparison. Will we see a drop in 17 or will we see an increase if I change this, or will it be about the same? And we'll do this 3 times or maybe 4 times. We'll just see how this goes, but let's adjust the formation now. We'll put it in the center this time. And let's do the same thing. We'll go back and let's attack. Okay, so let's see the battle record here. And again, that HP just trips me out every time I see that. But right here, we put Fornox in the center, and there was a pretty big increase, but we all know there's chance, criticals, dodges, and different stuff like that that can affect this. So, but I have 4 moves, and maybe we can be a little strategic with this. Now that we saw an increase by going to the center, let's go to the right side now. Let's take these out. And we'll readjust that. And so now it is in the right flank. And let's see what this does. So we'll attack. We'll do the same thing here. And so, not the greatest test because Tech really just kicked my tail on that one. And so we didn't have quite as long as the other ones. But all in all, if we average this right here, we are seeing that we're not really getting a super decrease from it. And so maybe we'll just test it one more time on the same one here. Again, that wasn't the greatest of battles here. And so I have one more move. Okay, that was a little bit better. Let's see what it says now here, guys. And so right here, I mean, it's still pretty dang powerful, guys. I don't necessarily think, again, by mixing your drones in different areas that you're getting that incredible boost. I guess it would, in my theory though, just a theory, your best drone should maybe be in the center though. I would just take a stab guess at that. It just makes more sense, center, your best drone in the center versus maybe putting your best drone to the left or the right. If it's centered, then that means it's probably going to do possibly a little bit more damage because it's, going down the center instead of being to the left or the right. So if I had a professional or I kind of a professional guess here, I would probably put your better drone in the center. And then, it's pretty easy to test this out though, guys. I only had a couple moves left. And like I said, yeah, Tech was just kicking my tail towards the end here. So we weren't getting as long of a battle as we were the first two. But again, we are seeing that, Fornox is rocking it though. I mean, so that is the most powerful drone that I had on there. We are seeing that the increases are staying the increase with it. No matter what slot that I go in, we don't see that it decreases versus another drone being somewhere else, meaning that it's going under that drone. So again, I don't think there's a big thing to this, but I think just to be on the safe side, if somebody wanted me to answer this, again, maybe put your best drone in the center. And, we could do this 1,000 different ways and 1,000 different times, but just according to this video, our strongest hit from Fornox was in the center. So, again, that would probably be my guess. But again, does it matter? With a little bit more testing, I think we could figure that out. But I think this was a cool little segment just to try. Again, I only had a couple moves. We're getting ready to get out of Planet Wars. But, maybe we can get some other players here doing the same test. And, just a really easy way of, just trying to figure this out a little bit. And maybe do it quite a few more times. That way we are getting a better base average. But I really do appreciate you guys, and leave me a comment. I try to answer the comments the best that I can. Again, I'm no drone master, guys. I am no master at this game. Again, I just just try to do these little tests just to see if we can get others to chime in, other players that are really smart with this, and also just help some of the new guys out, have a little basic understanding of how they can test and how you can test your setups. So again, really do appreciate you guys, and as I generally always say at the end of the video, just have fun